Santina with WTI, and I'm excited to tell you about this Worx LeafJet leaf blower. So this has a lot of really cool features for at-home use. One thing I really like is that you have different options for how fast and how much power you want in your leaf blower. So you have a lower setting that is great for just small areas or with more delicate plants, and you also have a higher setting that you can use to really blow those leaves away when you need it. You also have a really cool feature with the battery. All of these Worx tools have interchangeable batteries, so that is excellent. If you run out of battery, you will probably have several. You can just run and get a new one fresh off of the charger. I think this is a really great tool. It's actually very fun to use as well, and that's my point of view.